So here's something silly I wanted to try. This is the K63 Imperial back in the kitchen. And these are A&G blades. If you followed my videos about A&G, you know that they use the same hole spacing. Not every fan has the same hole spacing, but they had a few different ones that they used that were consistent, whether the fans were imported or domestic. And so in this case, I had this set of A&G spinner blades and blade arms. And the blade arm pattern was kind of similar to that. So I was like, let's see how they look next to each other. It doesn't look bad. If I had no other blades and arms for this, I would actually be fine with it. I've actually decided on what blade and arms I do want to keep on this. And if I can find the final blade, then that's what's going to go up there next and for the foreseeable future. Yeah, we'll see after this week. I'm counting on maybe Rick will be able to help me find it when he's here. But anyhow, that's another story. In the meantime, I thought I'd try these, and it's interesting for sure. So, Alexa, main floor fans low. I mean, it doesn't look crazy, and it's true that the arm portion matches better. I don't like the thin parts on the flywheel. It just looks like something's missing. And then the tips don't match, and I like the wing tips matching. By the way, though, I did mention earlier how much I liked the plain Bentley here, so that's also a possible candidate long term. I liked it better than the ornate Bentley for sure. Alexa, main floor fans medium. It takes a minute for medium if you guys don't remember. I could adjust that. There we go. Now we're actually going to medium. Alexa, main floor fans medium high. That one's right away. Low has a brief pause, medium has a longer pause, and then medium high and high have no pause. I will say one of the things that I've noticed having the different variations here in the kitchen, the Bentley with the Chinel Korean motor is an infinitely better performer than the K63. It's quieter. With the same blades, the K63 fan is more wind noise, but not necessarily any more air movement. So I think it may be faster, just maybe overpowered. Alexa, main floor fans high. Yeah, this is going to be way overpowered with these blades. They are perfectly balanced, though, I'll give you that. Even though the flywheel is just a little whoop-de-doo. Alexa, main floor fans off. A little bit of delay on off, too, by the way. Alexa, kitchen off. It's not the worst looking thing I've seen, I'll give you that. It's just not the best looking thing I've seen either. So this is number 3. Thanks for watching.